invite some friends to come over for lunch or dinner, or simply I just want to have a relaxing weekend at home. I want to cook something quickly, simple, but tasty. Pizza always an option. Who doesn't love pizza, right? So today's video I will show you how to make a vegetarian pizza. So we can enjoy it without worrying about getting some weight. It's gonna be fun. Let's get started. Have you ever tried a crust from the supermarket? Try it because they are very handy, and you can choose the one with extra thin layer. So the taste is gonna be more or less the pumpkin and the pepper already cooked, and then also we need the tomato sauces. I normally use whole tomato sauces, but today I make a shortcut, so I bought. In less than 30 minutes, we have this amazing vegetarian pizza topping with pumpkin. Just look at it and smell it. It makes me so hungry. It's gonna be